Hi everyone, this is Veronica Brinson sharing in memory of the sons. Y'all remember this one from before? Okay, let's see if I can get through it. In memory of the sons. Oh Lord, tears spill from the lady's eyes as she cries over another son who too early said goodbye. Mommy getting phone calls she never wanted to receive. Unknown voices describing bodies deprived of what could be. Mommy screams as her worst dream come true. A whole community should listen because what happened to her could have happened to you. Unright souls going to an early cold grave, his life stolen by another brother. Too late, neither brother was saved. Funeral songs playing over and over again. Young boys leaving before they could be men. Women deprived of possible lovers. Institutions deprived of scholars. Mothers deprived of sons. Children deprived of fathers. Our country without black men. This is America's worst nightmare. And seeing, oh, hear the scream of those mothers who have lost their sons to untimely death. Remember he who died at the hands of a brother so that it may not happen to another. Those of you who are now gone, let your life be a symbol of what has been wrong. Together, we must solve this catastrophe. Her sons, this our sons, what happens to her happens to you and me. In memory of the sons, take care. Have a great day. In memory of the sons. In memory of the sons.